Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your address on Starbucks. Open the website starbucks.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Account at the top right side of the screen. Click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. Now, enter all the required information such as your address line, city, state, and zip code. Once entered, click on Save. That's how you change your address on Starbucks. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.